Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ibrahim Amin Aziz. My matric number is 2213023887.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Fairuz bin Imran. My matric number is 22130239.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aiman Azuri bin Hashim. My matric number is 22130237.
So today we will present our mini project for OOP. The project title is Employee Salary Management. This program name is kirakukira.com. So this project is connected with database. So there are a few features for this program. First is add new data. Second, calculate salary. Third is update existing data. The fourth, delete data. And this program also have a table that contain employee details.
As you can see, this is the raw design of the program. So, as you can see also, there are 5 input box that user can enter. The first one is for employee ID. The second one is for the employee name. The third one is for the position of the employee. The third one is the salary per month. And the last one is the overtime in hours for a month. Also, there are 3 buttons. The first one is the add button. Okay, as you can see, this is the coding for the add button. We use try catch method for this coding. Then after that, for this add button, actually when the user or the admin insert the input in the J text field, it will read, and if the user press the add button, it will read the input from the user. After that, it will also uploaded the value towards the table. As you can see, there is a table update for inside the coding. So when the user put the press the add button, the data will go to the database and also towards the table on the right side. So as you can see, this is the coding for the table update.
The update button updates an existing record of an employee. It takes the value of salary and overtime hours from the user input and overwrites it in the database. The total salary will be calculated again and updated in the database. After that, the system will update the table at the site using the table update function.
For delete buttons, this button is mentioned to delete an existing data of an employee in this table and also the data from database. So this is the coding for delete buttons. In this coding, we also use try catch method. So now we will start demo our program. So as you can see, there are an existing data, an employee in the table.
For add button, we need to add a new data of an employee. For example, so the new data is being written right now. Okay, the data that have been written just now does not same with the data inside the table. So which means this is the new data of an employee. So by pressing the add button, we can add the new data inside the database and also inside the table. So when I press the add button, the J message dialog will pop up and state that the record has been submitted. When I press OK, the data will enter the database and also enter the table on the right side. However, if the data has already existed, we cannot add the data. For example, for this data, if I press add button, the message will say that the record is so it will not be redundant because the data is already exist inside the database and also inside the
The
table.
update button allows the user to override an existing data in the database. It allows the user to update the salary and overtime hours of an employee. For example, we will edit the data of employee ID 3. We will edit the salary value. We will also edit the overtime value. When we press the update button, a message will appear that says record submitted. This means that the data has been updated to the database and has override the previous data of the employee. If there is an employee ID that has not existed in the database, for example, the employee ID number 4, the system will not allow the user to update the database. A message will appear, record missing. This will not update any data in the database or any records of an employee.
To delete an existing data in the table, we just click the data. So, and then we click the delete button, and then the warning message will pop up, and then we click yes. So, okay, and the data in the table has been deleted. Okay, now we will see the database. So, this database show that the data that we already delete is already deleted in the database. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.